Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a full house clean with me. These are probably the most anticipated watched videos that I have on my channel, and I love doing them because it just resets my entire week. And then it's me ready. Today's Monday. Hi, so. It's clearly summer break now too, so the house is quite messy every day. If you guys like watching these types of videos, give it a thumbs up so you let me know. Also, I've been requested to do a full house tour, so that definitely, I think, will be coming maybe this summer, but later. I am getting prepped for my new launch, which is happening July 18th, Friday. So stay tuned for that. I'll have an entire video dedicated to that. And lots of work I'm doing today. So there's going to be behind the scenes, lots of cleaning, lots of organizing, and just like I need to fully reset, which I haven't had a chance to do yet. So we're going to do it today. So I will be announcing the giveaway winner from the last video in today's video. There's going to be another giveaway. I'm just starting to do this a lot more in my YouTube videos. I know you guys love them, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to attach my little mics because I always get questions on them. They're so cute. They're the DJI mics, and that's the camera I use as well. I'm just going to clip back my hair to start cleaning. I've got the laundry in right now. Just did 2 loads, did all downstairs. Now I'm gonna work on my closet and then also my master bathroom, which is a mess. And I usually like to watch shows. Excited though for the summer I Turned Pretty. I think that's coming out in like 2 weeks. seriously the cutest little keychains, and what I love about it, you can put them in the front or on the side. But I definitely like them in the front. I just feel like they dress the puffy tote. And look at that keychain. I'm obsessed. All clean. Okay, as promised, I will have the giveaway winner on the screen for my last video. And today I am giving away my brand new pink puffy tote. I'm so excited. And you will get all the goodies that are included, which like there are 15 pieces and there's a lot of things in there. So all you guys have to do is comment down below one thing that you love about the summer. And that is all. I'm going to pick someone in my next video. Good morning. I am on day 2 of cleaning. It is Friday now, and it does take me a long time to clean, you guys, especially when I'm filming too. But it feels so nice to just reset, have a clean space. My friend's bridal shower at my house, not this weekend, but is it next weekend? Yes, it's next weekend. So I have my launch on July 18th, and then I have her shower on the 20th. So full makeup today. I am filming. Today's a filming content day. Just gonna get fully ready. And this cream right here. So this is actually at Sephora. I think it's in Beauty Project. I think that's how you say it. Using it in like all my videos. This cream is next level, you guys. It's a nice big bottle. Started my coffee chit chat videos on Instagram, but I want to do another one today and talk about love languages. So every episode just because we're not doing the podcast right now, our schedules have been crazy. And I have the girls home, so it's a little hard to film, but they're just shorter like episodes. Like I think they're like 3 minutes long. So the last one I did was about friendship, and then I did one about the girls' hair. More of those because they're just like short form, but then also I get to talk to you, and that's the one thing. Like I love zenning, I love the ASMR style cleaning, but then I miss talking because that's the whole point of having a channel. And that is such a nice cream. My favorite eye cream right now, which I had to message them because I noticed it wasn't on their website. Lighter Concentrate by Beauty Bio. This is next level in the morning, you guys. I love this so much. So like I have puffy eyes in the morning because I'm so tired, because your skin wakes up so dehydrated if you do, especially if you're out in the heat. But yeah, it has a cooling pen, which I love. Just all of my face products here. So I've got the Rare Beauty Primer I go in with, the Dew Balm by Glow Recipe. What I'm doing is I've been mixing the Illuminizers by Rare Beauty with my Doll 10 foundation. Concealer, it's so nourishing and hydrating, the Kosas one. I actually have to get another one, and Sephora opened up super close to my place, so it's kind of dangerous. Just take it a little bit lower. Got the girls in here right now too, and I still have to make breakfast. The days go by so fast, I swear. On 2 massive projects right now that I'm really manifesting, you guys, for them to go viral. Not only viral, but like I really want to get these into retailers. Really amazing idea. And it's so much like back and forth and changing, and the thing when you're like a perfectionist and you just want it to be perfect. In with the Kosas Loose Translucent Candy Rose powder. These blushes from Huda Beauty. I've bought in every single color. They're like the best. I actually put a little bit on the girls for Ryan's brother's wedding, and they're just so cute and so pretty. I love, like, the shades are very playful. But like more of a bold pink. There's this one, but this one is really nice, like a rosy, soft, natural pink. I'm running out. Lippies I've been really loving. The Tower 28. This is in pistachio. this Pat McGrath blow up. Show you guys the perfect nude. All done getting ready, and I think I'm gonna leave the video here, you guys. I plan to just have kind of like a chilled, laid back weekend because next weekend is so busy with the launch and then bridal party at my house. But I hope you guys enter the giveaway, and thank you guys for all the love, the support, and I can't wait for my next video. I'm hoping to have it up by like Thursday, like the day before the launch, so that you guys can kind of see everything that's inside. But I hope you guys are having a great summer so far, and if you guys like cleaning videos, give this video a thumbs up and I will do more for you in resets just to get you inspired and motivated to have a nice clean space for summer. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.